Hello everyone, welcome to our quick tutorial on using Dhiwise to build a React app. Dhiwise is a simple tool that turns your Figma designs into React code fast. Let's get started. First, go to the Dhiwise website and sign up. You can use your Google, GitHub, or Discord account. It's super easy. Once you're in, go to Dashboard, click Web for Technology, then hit New Application and choose Create a New App. Next, pick React as your framework and choose between JavaScript or TypeScript. Click Confirm to move on. Now select your design system. Dhiwise uses Tailwind CSS by default to style your app. Hit Confirm again. Time to bring in your design. If you have a Figma file ready, connect your Figma account or use the Figma plugin to import your designs. Pick the pages you want and click Submit. Dhiwise will grab all the design pieces from Figma. While it's working, you can set your app name, add an icon, and tweak code settings. When it's done, click Preview to check out your app screens. If you want changes, just chat with Dhiwise and type what you need. Ready? Click Export to get your full React code. Now you can customize it or launch your app. That's it, guys. Dhiwise makes building React apps quick and fun. Thanks for watching and happy coding.